Stop! I am a blackhead. Every time you squeeze me with your dirty fingers, you rupture the pore wall and shove me deeper into your skin. That's how you damage your skin. To remove me, do these things instead. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to get rid of the surface oil and dirt sitting on top of your skin. If you skip this step, everything you put on after just traps the grime inside your pores, which makes me even worse. Next, steam your face for about 5 to 10 minutes over a bowl of hot water. The heat opens up your pores and softens the hardened Sobisham plug that's holding me in place. Without steam, I'm packed in tight like cement and nothing can reach me. And if you look inside of your pore during steaming, you'd see the walls relaxing and the oxidized oil loosening its grip. That's the only way I can come out without tearing your skin apart. Then apply a salicylic acid serum directly onto the area. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, which means it glides right into your pore and dissolves me from the inside out. It's the one ingredient I cannot survive! The other option is to use a clay mask after steaming. The clay acts like a magnet and pulls all the trapped oil, dirt, and blackheads straight up to the surface. At night, apply a retinol cream. Retinol speeds up how fast your skin cells turn over, which means your pores shed dead skin before it has a chance to clog up and form new blackheads.